Hope you are all awake. Or do I need to wake you up? Hello everyone, my name is Lakshman. I am the co-founder of AppVirality from India. AppVirality is a growth hacking toolkit for mobile apps that helps app developers to add virality to their apps within seconds and no coding required. From my personal experience, building an app is really easy compared to the efforts I had to put to make it stand out of the crowd. Hope most of you agree with me on this. There are 3 million apps across the stores and 200,000 apps are getting uploaded every month, making the space even crowded. These days, everyone has an app. And want to go viral, but only few succeed. Companies like Dropbox and Uber tried that and succeeded and achieved more than 60% of their growth through growth hacking. That is, making use of your existing customer base to go viral and grow. Let's have a look at what Dropbox did to grow. Dropbox has asked its users to connect to Twitter account or follow them on Twitter to earn 125 MB more space. This is how Dropbox achieved more than 60% of their growth when they are a startup. And even today, 35% of their signups come from the same growth hack they implemented 4 years back. Likewise, Uber also asks its users to share the promo code across the social media to get $10 credits and to give $10 credits to your friends. That's a two-way promotions. There is a separate job role called growth hacker in most of these companies like Dropbox and Uber, whose responsibility is to identify the right growth hack for your company at every stage of the company and get that coded by the development team and implement. But not everyone can afford to have a growth hacker and a development team to implement his ideas. And because of this reason, most of these companies ignore the fact that virality can help them to go viral and grow organically. For all those companies, AppVirality is the big time lifesaver. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing you to the solution, AppVirality, the only plug and play growth hacking toolkit in the market at the moment. Let's have a look at how easy it is to add virality to your apps within seconds without having to touch your code. Let's have a look at our demo. Once you register with us and add the app, here is the SDK download. It's a 70 KB SDK. Once you download that, you have to create a campaign by selecting growth hack of your choice. Here are the 3 growth hacks available at the moment. I selected the first one called customer retention, and here is the configuration. You have to write the message what you want to show the visitors once they come onto your app. That's the message there. Get 5% discount on an online grocery store. And this is the full industrial ad they'll get to see once they click on the mini notification. And the user selected asking people to share it on social media, share or tweet to get the coupon code. This is the campaign I just created, and I have 4 more campaigns. And let's have a look at what your users get to see once you configure the growth hack. This is my mobile. I just opened the Mom Grocery app and going into a category called groceries, adding couple of items to my cart, and this is the order confirmation screen, and I'll click on pay. And here is on the transaction success page, I want to show the growth hack, and that is the growth hack you are seeing it. And once user clicks on claim it, you will be asked to share it on social media. Once I click on share, it will be posted on my Facebook wall. Message posted and coupon email to your email ID. And let's have a look at what AppVirality has posted for you on the Facebook. This is my Facebook wall, says get 5% on your next grocery shopping at Mom Grocery. And all of my friends will get to see that. Once somebody clicks on that, we will take them to the App Store or Play Store depending on their device. And here is how the analytics page looks like. We will track all the analytics like how many total shares and who is that person, how many followers he has, and how many views, how many clicks and how many downloads from the status message on my Facebook wall. And this is just a high level demo, and we have many analytics in the dashboard. And after the demo, and let's talk about some financials. Sorry for the interruptions in between. Okay, I'll go with that. And the market size, as said, there are 3 million apps across the stores and it's growing at a rate of 7% month on month. And we are the only player at this moment providing an extensive set of growth hacks in a single SDK. So there is a lot, the market is very huge to disrupt. Sorry, so I have to continue without the presentation itself. So coming to the pricing model, we want to keep it as a freemium model. It will be free for the first 100 mentions, be it a social media mention, survey or poll. And after that, it will be a pay as you go. We charge per mention, it's 5 cents per mention. And the team, we are 2 co-founders. We together built 2 successful startups earlier. The one startup is the example you saw, Mom Grocery. It's an online grocery store in India. And the second startup called Make Ideas. It's a blogger network and we got an exit over there. And we worked in companies like Microsoft, Oracle, TCS and Infosys in India. And we are backed by awesome mentors like Mr. Mohit Saxena. He is the co-founder and CTO at InMobi, world's largest mobile ad network. And Mr. Shamal Mehta, he is the CEO of TechGenie, the largest mobile app development company inside India. And we are part of the Microsoft Accelerator at the moment in India. And having the experience of building successful startups and coming from the relevant industry like online advertising, we are confident enough that we can make AppVirality a very huge success, helping app developers to go viral. After all, virality is not an accident, it's engineered. We help you do that engineering part. Thank you very much.
Sorry, I didn't really get to see the financials, but
yeah.
So currently, how much have you raised, and what are you looking to raise?
So we have raised $20,000 from Times Internet Group in India, and we are $20,000, and we are looking to raise 200K to help us improve the technology part, add more growth hacks into the SDK, and help us take that into the market. We are in private beta at the moment, live on 15 apps, but we have a landing page explaining what AppVirality does, and we have 180 signups inside that within a month.
Do you measure the CTR of this app installation through social media?
Yeah, we do measure.
What's the number?
No, we haven't measuring it. We are in private beta live on 15 apps, just couple of weeks back. But at the moment, how many people interacting with the growth hack is the 40% people are interacting with growth hacks shown on the app. Yeah.
What's your target market and why?
Any app developer who are trying to grow organically, as I said, they are ignoring the fact that virality can help them because they are all focusing on building their core features at the moment. To build all this, it takes a lot of time, and to maintain that, it takes a lot of time. And you also have to build the analytics engine to find which growth hack is working or which offer is working. In the demo example, I showed 5% off on a next grocery purchase, but you can have 10% off also. But you don't know which one is working.
So you don't think you need to have any kind of geographic focus?
No. And we do the A/B testing and let you know which is the best working for you so that you can activate that. And the best part is that you don't have to ask your developer to do anything once they integrate with the SDK. Even your marketing guy can log into the dashboard and then set the offers. They can target on the location based, rotation based and all that stuff.
So how are you marketing this?
Sorry?
How are you marketing?
So at the moment we are doing it through the content marketing. So we are very active on the blogs, guest postings. So that's how we got the 180 signups in a month.
Okay, I might have got this wrong, but just back of the napkin math, you said 5 cents for each mention, right, after 100 mentions.
Yes.
So $50 will give me 1,000 mentions. It's a 40% click-through rate, there's 400 people clicking through. Average, if you take an industry random average of 2%, that means 8 people is going to sign up for my app, which means the CPI is $6.25 cost per install from using AppVirality.
So maybe we will work on that once we get some data from the private beta.
Yeah, I think it's kind of interesting to see, you know, because it's a unit economic thing, right? So you gotta wait a while, see what kind of data you have, but for a lot of app marketers, they can't pay $6 for a cost per install. So that is going to balance somehow, so you can make a lot of money as well, and they also get a lot of balance. So just something that I think to tease out.
Yeah, since we are a new player in this market, we are still trying to find out the right pricing model and the figures to charge. We are still working with our vendors.
But it's a great space. It's a great product.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you.
Thank you, Laxman. That wraps it up. Judges, thank you very much. Huge round of applause for our 5 judges. You guys feel free to make a mad dash for the bathroom or for coffee or both. Big round.